Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 4 of intermediate course. In the previous lesson, we learned how to sharpen Japanese-style skiving knife using a whetstone, and in this lesson, we will cover how to keep whetstone flat. If you keep using a whetstone without maintenance, the area you frequently used will gradually beveled, making the surface uneven. When that happens, even if you sharpen your knife with the correct techniques, you will not be able to restore the sharpness of the blade. This is because when the whetstone is uneven, there will be areas where the knife's edge doesn't touch the whetstone, leaving some areas unsharpened. As a result, you might feel you are sharpening the blade, but it's still dull. When I first started using a leather knife, I didn't know I had to maintain whetstone. I kept using them as they were, and over time, the middle side became deeply concave. This caused my skiving knife to warp, making it completely dull. That's why keeping your whetstone flat is essential. So let's learn how to do it properly. Let's dive in. Maintaining a whetstone is super simple when the surface starts feeling rough or uneven. All you need to do is use a flattening stone to level it. That's it. A flattening stone is a whetstone to resurface whetstones. It's best to soak it in water with your regular whetstones. I recommend using the flattening stone to smooth out the surface after sharpening your knife. To use the flattening stone, first hold the flattening stone against the whetstone and move it across the surface while rotating it. This ensures even wear across the entire surface. If your whetstone is deeply worn, this method might take too long. In this case, you can rub it back and forth by applying pressure to speed up the process. Please be careful. If you only move it back and forth in one spot, you will create an uneven surface. Instead, gradually move from one side to the other to maintain an even surface. To check if you're done, let's run your fingers across the surface. If it feels smooth and there's no roughness, your whetstone is perfectly flat and ready to use again. By following this step after every sharpening, you can keep your whetstone flat, last for a long time, and get the best sharpness every time. I've included links to the whetstones and flattening stone in the description below, so please check it. That's all for today. How was the lesson? Now that you mastered the whetstone maintenance, you will be able to keep your leather knife in top condition. In the next lesson, we will start learning how to skive a leather using a Japanese-style skiving knife. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give me a like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.